Hi, it's me, Zelly, again. This is like our 100 video? Nah, third, duh. Oh, here's Caitlin with me. Hey, Caitlin, say hi. Say hello,
Hola.
We're gonna tell them what we're gonna do.
No.
We're gonna show you how to speak Spanish. Cause I'm Spanish. Hola.
And I'm white, so I don't know.
Okay, how do you say hair in Spanish?
Hello.
Pelo. Pelo. I'm sorry.
Adios.
Adios, amigos. Alright, how do you say home? Hola. Alright, seriously. There's people out there that wants to learn Spanish, right?
No.
How do you say no?
No. Si. Yes.
See? No. How do you say? I love you. I showed you that this morning.
Te amo.
Te amo. Oh my God. How do you say Mama Bicho?